Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. Got another package in the mail. It's from FoxLite gear. I actually found it on Joe Robinette's channel. He was just going through his gear and found these pouches and he gave them a shout out. And I thought they're pretty cool, so I picked up a couple. And let's check them out. She has her store on Etsy. It's pretty cool. She wrote "Thank you, Hector" on my order. She personalized it, you know. Makes these by hand. And there they are. It's FoxLite gear. They're squared off at the bottom. She uses the double nylon mesh with nylon tabs, white KK zippers, and her work is just nice. There's no like loose stitching or... We'll even flip this baby inside out so you guys can see. Nothing, just great stitching work on it. They actually only weigh 1 ounce each. And like I said, great craftsmanship. I'll use them for a while and do a review on them eventually. But my unboxing first impression, I think they're really great. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.